Welcome to the next episode of our travel series. Right now we're in Laos, in Vang Vieng, and we're gonna show you the next episode of our travel series, but that took part in Thailand, in Chiang Mai and Pai. Chiang Mai is known for its beautiful temples, and of course we visited some. And one really cool thing we did is climbing the monk route. On the top of this mountain, the Chiang Mai known mountain, there's this temple, and you can climb the mountain itself to reach the temple. It's really nice.
It's really cool.
Yeah. After Chiang Mai we took the minivan to Pai. It's really a wobbly ride, and when we arrived we just explored the surroundings.
Yeah, of course we went to the famous Pai Canyon, saw some beautiful waterfalls and went to a cool land split.
Yeah.
Check it out.
This is already the end of the episode. It's a short one, we know, but right now we're in Laos, we're very busy. But you will see that in the next episode, of course, and this is just a little preview.
So this is where we're sitting right now.
Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.
See you!
Bye bye!